Hey guys, well, I finally got my new bench grinder, and the old one, actually I've had this one for about a month. The old one has been sitting around until yesterday when we were finally able to ship it back. The company that my wife bought the grinder at was well reviewed, had good return policy, and was known for being really fast on returning calls, text, etc. But they kind of went offline for almost 3 months. It looks like they were victims of ransomware, and so it took us a while to get the old one returned. We ordered this one, and I've had it for about a month, just because we couldn't figure out what was going on, and they hadn't charged us for the other one, but I didn't want to use this one until I knew for sure that the other one was gone or free and clear or whatever. But they finally got back online and sent us an RMA, and it got shipped off yesterday. So this is the WEN 6-inch belt grinder. Model is BG1276. And thought I'd explain that. Actually, I need to get set up to do this. Because I do use my table saw as a table. There we go. Sorry about all the dodging. And the wood. Okay, so there we go. Let's open it and see what's inside. Two manuals. Both of them look like they're written in English. Okay, 3 manuals. 226002. Same number. Well, that's interesting. I'll have the same number there. I'll have to figure that out later. Otherwise, I guess I got 3 manuals. And right on top, protective glass. 2 pieces. Sorry about the fan noise in the back, as usual. It's hot in Texas. It's sweaty in Texas. And the humidity's really high. So, there you go. I'm going to take this out of the mount. And there you go. It's upside down, of course. There you go. Has 1 lamp instead of 2. Let's hope this one doesn't wobble. Alright, put it back in the clamp. Not sure. Get those out here in a second. hate styrofoam. It's going to stick to everything for months. Right off the bat, sorry, I'm sweating. Right off the bat, plug it in. And it needs a light bulb. Alright. Going out of that lamp. Whoa. Alright, well, that works. Back the blinds. Okay, so let's see what we got in these bags. Sorry, dog's barking. Alright, well, it looks this one's wobbling just a little bit. You can see there where it touches. It's touching my finger, touching, and I'll never come around to touch again. Alright, I'll look at that here in a second. Alright, I have no idea what that is. So, Brooke, that's enough. Okay, so these are the screws that go with the pads instead of the North Face bit. Let's see what they are real quick. Oh. How do they attach? Okay. So these attach like this. But it looks like they made it so that you can looks like they made it so you can use an arm with them. No, that has a that's set up to do that. So these are just having music in my shed, but I don't want copyright strikes. Usually I have music on. I try to add something. Otherwise it's just quiet. Humidity is higher than what they said today. I bet it's in the 80%. It's sticky. I really think it's sticky. Okay, that would be one. And this would be two. Oh, okay. Hang on here. Okay. Alright, so now that I got a light bulb, handy dandy machete again. So it's like this doesn't fall off immediately. Well, try the course. see, sort of. Let's see, put this up there. There we go. It's nice and sharp. I don't think it's paper cutting sharp. For what I made it for, or cutting tree limbs and stuff like that, I mean, that's all I really made it for, was to hack on tree limbs or cut down little chunks of branches and stuff like that. Works just fine. And so having it sharp is always important. So the grinder seems to be a decent one. Hang on here. Take in for a little closer view. Let's see. 3,000. Speed is 3450 RPMs. Arbors a half inch. So there you go. There is the WEN grinder. Model is 4276. Looks like a pretty decent one. The light housing gets kind of hot, but it does seem to move and articulate nicely. It's got a decent fixture, way better than the other one did. So nice articulation on that. It's got a plastic hose over the metal. Styrofoam everywhere. But it doesn't seem to be wobbling at full speed. So I'll turn it off and slow it down. And see what happens. There you can see it, just a slight wobble to it. I don't know, maybe that's supposed to be normal for grinders. To wobble at least a little bit. And the thing is it might not be the mechanism, it could just be the actual grinding surface. Maybe the hole's too big and it's not sitting securely in there. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to take it apart and see what it looks like. Put a polishing wheel on it and stuff like that. Make sure my old stuff fits. It's slowing down. So if I take the screw, and just barely touch it. Too. It's too hard to tell that one. Anyway, there it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped in some way if you're planning on purchasing a new grinder.